ever wanted to buy something and you talk yourself out of it because you know you really didn't need it, and then you talk yourself back into it, and then you decide to buy it, and then you talk yourself back out of it, and you decide not to buy it. Then all of a sudden, like magic, you actually get the product that you want. Yeah, that happened to me. I got a package from Temu, and I want to show you what I have. But first, let me tell you all about Temu. I'm sure you guys have seen some ads somewhere about Temu, and you may have not tried it because you thought it was too good to be true. Well, I've tried it multiple times in the past. I bought multiple things from them. So they reached out on this particular one, and I've had all good luck with everything that I bought for the most part. The prices are so good, they're almost unbelievable. They have things that anybody can use, anybody. Even in the industry that I'm in, they had things on there that I actually bought for my industry, and they work pretty well. But the most important part is they have RC cars and RC parts, accessories, and all kind of other things. You'll be really shocked at what you'll see. And their shipping times are really, really great. And if you don't receive it on time, you get a $5 credit. If the price change within 30 days, you will get an adjust credit on your account. That happened to me. I got like an additional $6 and some change. Thank you, Temu. They even have free returns up to 90 days. Can't beat that, guys. If you hadn't used this app, you're going to want to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description to the app as well as this truck. And if you use my link, you'll get a $100 coupon bundle as well. Abracadabra. But before we look under the hood, guys, let me show you the radio. My understanding, if it comes with this radio, this is the V2. I doubt the V1 is still in circulation right now. So that's pretty cool looking ready to run radio. Feels pretty good. 2.4 gigahertz, of course. And it has your steering and throttle trims right there. Looks like it's going to use AAAs. This radio reminds me so much of the Noble MB4 radio. Just a little bit more colorful. Of course, it doesn't have all the features that this radio has. Nowhere near. But it's a really nice looking radio. Yeah, I hadn't pulled the tag off yet. Look at that design. Very similar. All right, let's look under the hood. You got a nice 28mm motor right here with a nice heat sink. Pretty sure this is a 45 amp ESC. I'll have to look more into it. You have your cap pack right there as well, and your servo. And we have a nice battery right here. See what this is. This is a 2S 2200 milliamp battery. Cool thing about this size battery, guys, if you're in the hobby, pretty much everybody have 1, 2, or 3, or even more of these, especially if you fly airplanes. Let's go ahead and get some batteries in this thing and get it powered up. We got a battery charge for the car, so we're gonna go ahead and get that in and get this thing powered up as well. So what more can be said about this that hasn't already been said? This thing is awesome. Stock battery lasted a long time. I didn't run it all the way down or anything like that, but I did run it for a while. Stock radio, it did really well, guys. And like I said, it reminds me so much of the Noble. Of course, it's not a Noble, but just the design. I'm really blown away by the speeds. I forgot this thing was actually running on a 2S LiPo. I'm really shocked that a 2S is that fast in this thing. This thing is fast. I mean, it's really awesome. On the pavement, I was probably doing, I'm sure, 20 miles per hour and pin it, and this thing just spins probably for about 3 or 4 feet before getting traction, and it's really, really fun. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Temu. Make sure you check out the link I put below in the description so you can get a good deal on this. Among other things, let me tell you my experience with Temu. It's like going to a big Harbor Freight, but Harbor Freight for everything. Because I don't know about you guys, but when I go in Harbor Freight, I buy a ton of stuff. Check it out. Temu is the Harbor Freight of the internet, if you ask me. With this car, guys, make sure you go onto that app. Check it out, download it. Make sure you get some of the coupons that you can get. And I don't have to say a lot about this car because you guys are very familiar with it. And again, like I said, this is not the only car that they sell on there. It's a ton of cars they sell on there. Until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.